Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gym and Tonic, and today I want to show you another delicious signature drink which we like to call painting the roses red. Now, the beauty about this cocktail actually lies in simplicity, but also in elegance. So we're gonna start off with freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, and I do encourage you to use actual grapefruit for this one. So I already prepped myself one juiced grapefruit over here, and I'm gonna measure out 50 ml and drop that in. Next, I'm gonna create a bit of balance, so a bit of acidity, 10 ml of fresh lemon juice. And I will complement that with 10 ml of simple sugar syrup. Next, we're gonna add 2 dashes of orange bitters. And last but not least, to tie everything up together, we're gonna be using our lovely London dry gin, made with heritage apples, but also the key feature about this is the floral note, which is touched by classic British rose. So having that in mind, we're gonna go ahead and ice up everything and just give it a few shakes. This drink doesn't require too much shaking because we will top it up afterwards. So just 3-4 shakes. So as I mentioned before, beauty lies in elegance. We're gonna be using a tall and elegant glass for this, filled with ice all the way to the rim. And we're gonna double strain everything. So the final ingredient is gonna be rose lemonade, rosé lemonade or pink lemonade. Just add 50 to 75 ml, topping up your glass over there. And now just a gentle stir to bind all the flavors together. You're gonna stick a straw on the side. Now for the garnish, we wanna touch base with the gin, which has roses, British roses in there. We also wanna touch base with the pink lemonade, which also has a bit of a floral note. I'm gonna have a gravy boat on the top, and I'm gonna fill that up with lovely dried rose buds. Something to impress the eye, but also something to impress the nose. Just 3-4 buds. Et voila, there we have it guys. Tall and elegant, our lovely painting the roses red. Cheers, enjoy.